How to change birthday on Snapchat after limit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your birthday on Snapchat after limit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open Snapchat, you tap the profile icon and then you again make sure to tap the gear icon. You want to change your birthday, but it says that you have already has the limit reached. Now Snapchat will not give you the exact number as to after how much limit you can actually change your birthday, but what you can do after this is that you can simply try to scroll down and go to this option called I need help that you can find here. And once you find the option called I need help, you should be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just simply go to the option called managing my account, and from here you can just select birthday, and here you can select how do I change my birthday, and here you can just select was this article helpful, select no, and now you can simply submit a request to Snapchat and then request them to change your birthday. Otherwise you will not be able to change it. This way you will be able to change your birthday on Snapchat after limit. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.